Currently recording. What, dude? I don't.
Well,
Why are both of
I
you
have
going?
to ask.
Hmm.
In
Why are you
Mexico,
going?
do they have American restaurants like there's Mexican restaurants here?
Yes.
Are
Oh,
they
wait, you live in
trash?
Mexico?
No. Yeah, I live in Mexico, motherfucker.
Oh,
Bitch
shit.
ass.
Why you go NG?
Like, how
Why
do
you
they
go
compare? Are they
NG?
like bad in the sense like how US
Why you go
No.
NG?
I
They're
don't want to
good.
play NG.
Cringe.
My friend was like, my
Fuck.
PC can't run
I will.
fighting games. There was
For
a
fuck a beat, I'm trying to beat a case. But I ain't beat that case, bitch. I did the race. Skrr. Also, if there's any fuel cells, pass them to me.
Rob it up.
How
That's
about
not what it
no?
takes.
No,
Bro,
like for
there's a
real,
backup
no, but
mag
for
right
real.
here.
Or not fuel cells. What's the
Ooh,
thing
give me the
that
backup, Matt. Give me the backup. I want the backup.
What's the thing that gives you
I would like the
R
backup.
or R more R?
There is no item that gives you more armor.
I was about to say because if you
guys.
Could have
Guys,
sworn there was.
guys,
No, there's
There's
one that
not.
gives you more shift, not more
Guy.
armor.
They
guys.
should add a red that gives you more R.
That would be OP.
Yes, it'd be very OP on engineer.
oh, that's why
No,
it's red.
it should be a red, yeah. Or no, it should be a boss item.
No, boss items
No,
are
it
easier to get.
literally
Don't
be
worry.
broken on most characters. I'm not even kidding. Like, if you get that plus headlight afterburner on mercenary, you would literally have infinite iframe. And then if you get an alien head on top of that, then you just be in iframes forever. That's just one example.
Backup, Matt.
Oh shit, that was 75. I thought it was 50.
I'm on the way, Wyatt. Hello. I have arrived. Hello. My chest. Bruh.
Fine. You can have
No,
it.
I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm
Oh,
kidding.
who
I'm
wants
kidding.
personal shield
No,
generator?
no, you said you want it. Actually, Will should get personal shields. In it.
Wait, is it a
I already
Wednesday
got
or
it.
Tuesday? Question.
Oh,
I
there's a
picked it
new
up by
altar.
accident.
Where's the new
I didn't
altar?
repeat
Oh, I
myself.
thought why you
Wait,
died.
Is it a Wednesday or a Tuesday?
Today's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wait,
Dude,
Wyatt,
it's
sit
calling a
still.
fucking Wednesday today.
So,
I don't know why.
Cringe name,
Why?
baby.
Why do Wednesdays always suck?
Because
Dude,
they're
just
hump
start. It's the
days.
middle of the week.
Ooh, I got a soldier syringe.
Nice. Can someone kill one more enemy, please?
Because
It's the middle of the week.
There's a
so,
stone titan here. I got
Like,
you.
it's just horrible by default. Bro, I am just.
Also, its spelling is atrocious.
Yeah.
It's
I agree.
Wednesday, my dudes.
Wednesday. Yeah, very cool.
Where's teleporter?
I don't fucking know.
I don't know.
Shoot. Ow.
I don't know.
Oh, well, that Lemurian just fell off a cliff. Easy dub. I want this chest. Where? I don't know where teleporter is. Is it in the little, like, cave area in the back?
I'll check. I don't see anything so far.
No, I know.
I got radar scanner.
Oh, look at all these items!
I honestly don't know where it is.
I don't know either, and that's what makes me sad. Because we're gonna get
Fuck.
behind on time. I got a
gotta
fuel
get
cell.
40 more.
Where is Cringe Baby? I don't. Wow, where
Oh,
is
it's over
it?
here.
This guy in the deathmatch
Okay.
is 5 and
How come
20.
Luis can't get out
Like,
anymore?
I didn't know that was possible.
Luis is going to the movies with his dad. Cringe.
Y'all started without me. Y'all are sinners.
Really? Wait, look.
Exactly.
I just did all that damage, and then once you get like crits, it's just over.
No, I know. God damn it, that stuck in my head again. Bam. 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 All of that damage is mine. Bam. I will spam this at you. Don't test me, you son of a bitch.
I said, go.
I am melting this fool. Kill it quick! Oh, sweet. What did we get?
Ooh, Will
We
should
got
get it.
bands. What do you mean Will should get it? There's
You
one for
just
each of
gave me
us.
Genesis loop, and you didn't get it.
Alright, I got Genesis loop then.
Well, tell me that. Tell me Genesis loop. I just heard Will should get it, and I'm like, we all get one. What are you talking about?
I guess I should have specified that.
You
huh?
should have.
You
Now I
should've
don't have Genesis loop, and it's all your fault. I'm getting this as combat drone.
Who joined?
Matt.
Hello, Matt. Oh, Matt. Disgusting. Be gone, Matt. Until you legally change your name to Matthew. Or from Matthew.
Wait, hold up. I know there's a desk here.
Too bad.
No!
Oh, blue portal appeared.
Yeah, I just did the blue portal.
There was a large chest, Will. What the fuck are you doing?
No, I know.
I died.
You didn't die, you fell. There's a difference.
Guys. Adrian should get this because he has radar scanner, and we need constant radar scanner.
I got you. Let me get it actually.
Oh, he already got it.
Cringe.
What? I bought it with my money.
You have infinite money.
I do, but I still bought it with my money.
How are they afterburner?
Radar scanner.
I damaged the salamander
Why?
because I have
Okay.
Genesis loop.
What? How did you get? What is it? Low enough for Genesis loop?
I fell. Remember?
Oh, yeah, cause you're stupid.
You're stupid.
You're stupid. All right, radar time.
Who picked up radar?
I did.
I call backup.
Yeah, I don't need it. I already have one. I just need one to spam. Ow! You exploded the
It'd be
thing
better.
in my face.
From now on, all backups go to me.
What do you mean? He's Huntress. He needs one.
I need
No,
7.
you need like 4.
What's this one down here? Is there any leech seeds? Cause I need a leach seed.
No, I
This
call.
is
Oh,
mine.
great.
No, you're already getting the back.
You're already getting the
I
backup
need
mag.
both.
No,
I
you
need
don't.
both.
Okay.
Actually, you can take the crits.
I will take the crits. That way I
No,
can get.
would take it
I want
direct.
Harvester Scythe though, because if I can get Harvester Scythe, then it's
I
cash
don't
money.
want Harvard. Alright.
But for my character specifically, it's cash money.
I-
Are you gonna disagree with that fact?
What is over here?
Just radar
Personal
spam.
shield generator, guys.
Where is it? New altar is
Should
up
I just
there.
get it anyway
Yes.
since I'm not gonna do shaved glass? And
Get what? Backup mag?
no, personal. It's already picked up one.
No.
But I don't want to get rid of it.
I would
'cause I'm
like
backup
it.
bag
Well, just
now.
well, once we find a good printer, then you can just get rid of it there.
I know, but backup mag.
Can I come for that personal
Oh,
shield
so
generator,
you
Wyatt?
used one
Because I'm
backup
gonna
mag
come grab
early
it.
on. Boo hoo.
Actually, wait. I'm not grabbing it because it's a printer. Never mind. I thought it was
Hey,
a
guys.
multi-terminal.
Hey guys, funny.
You are pretty funny.
What is?
Meteorites.
I didn't even know you picked up the meteor.
He did. He was like, "Ooh, funny
I
meteorite,
can do
funny."
it even funnier. Funny.
Don't.
Do you know what my funny is?
Effigy of
Another
grief.
meteor.
No.
It's effigy of grief.
No, I have effigy. Oh, that's even funnier. Funny.
I picked up a backup mag right as you did that.
If you didn't, I guarantee you'd be like, "What the freak?"
I would have been like, "What the freak?" Because what the freak?
There's a backup mag right there, by the way.
I don't need it. I have 3.
Boom.
With 3, I'm able to hardcore spam my mouse too.
I picked it up.
Let me.
He's playing Rex.
I am.
That's what I said. I said you're playing Rex.
Yeah. Your point?
Okay,
What
do
is
we
it?
get?
Give me the thing, the yellow thing. That way, hard to kill. That way, I live.
That's why you're too angry to die.
Yes. Give me all of your sustenance.
You know why? That wasn't very kick with you. Kick of you for having us fight a million enemies.
None of us are dying. What do you mean?
I have personal shield generator and I can't get rid of it. I am happy.
Bro, just find a good printer with a
There is
grade.
no good printers.
Okay, you'll eventually find one.
What leeching seed? Give me your H pizzles. There's so many enemies. You're
This is
all
why
are
I
so
should have been
annoying.
born in the next generation.
You mean the one that dies of coronavirus in World War III?
Yes.
Bro, Corona cures Corona, guys.
But hey, be thankful. You lived in the same time as Kobe. You were able to
Muslim
respect him.
fungus.
If only Wyatt was playing engineer.
I don't want to play engineer.
Too bad. We didn't ask what you want. Combat boy. You should have good. Whatever.
Justin has 2 IQ. Justin has 2 IQ.
Oh, I got Prion.
Nice.
Sweet. I don't like that you also can see the radar, because then you can see the goodies, and I only want to see the goodies.
Radar
Only goodies for
scanner.
me. Ooh, big chest. I like big chest.
Wait, we need another radar
Wait, there's
scanner.
a big chest right here.
That's what I'm
How much?
grabbing. Ooh, I got Predatorian. Oh, well, okay.
Well, I should have got that anyways. So
Yeah, and I already have one, so it's fine.
21 minutes on track.
Wyatt wants to attack a Chinese man.
Y'all want more money?
I'm ready to go when Wyatt is. There we go.
Hold up. You're cringe.
Wyatt got cringe.
You guys always activate when I'm about to get a chest.
Sucks to
Yeah.
be you.
I hope you get gargled in your cum.
What? How dare
Mine,
you wish that
mine,
upon a
mine,
man?
Mine, I already called it, I already called it. Cringe.
We can all do it, dummy.
Yeah, but it's 75. That means I'm basically one hit.
yeah, but you get more money.
Money.
Yeah, but I'm 100, so I'm one hit.
I got
Frax basically
money.
Has it.
Hey, there's a go hoof right here.
This big chest is mine.
I require
Money,
go.
money.
Somebody just played out chills. Who put this rat in my rep? I didn't.
Put
order
this
rat
hamster in my
food.
muffin.
Hamster baked into a muffin.
Can y'all defeat like a
Let's
couple
go,
more
man.
enemies for me? Thanks.
I require more movement.
Bro, this is cringe. Y'all need to defeat more enemies. Pull
Hey,
your own
there's
damn
a
You
weight.
need to stop crying.
Pull your damn weight. There are
I need, like,
money boxes over here, so I shall grab the money boxes.
I need more radar scanners so I can find where everything's at. What if I put an effigy of grief on an equipment drone?
What does that do?
I don't. What does that even
I
do?
forgot.
It debuffs everyone in there.
In
the thing.
what?
So like even enemies.
Ooh,
So it
actually
just
do
flies. It flies around. I got leech seed from the big chest.
Just do it. Put effigy.
Do it.
grief
Put
on
effigy
the-
in it.
On the equipment drone.
And just
don't
be
want
like,
to.
no, do
you
it.
should.
That way
It
we can
scares me of how
we
much
can avoid
power I
it.
have.
We can
I call
avoid
this.
it.
No, but like, doesn't effigy of grief give you cooldown if you can't keep it active? Give you a
No, it
debuff?
doesn't. It
Yeah,
just
it can.
debuffs everyone.
Oh,
Yeah, it's just a ball of debuff.
It's just a ball of debuff.
does it? Oh wait, it debuffs us, right?
Everyone.
Debuffs players and enemies.
Everything that is a thing in this game gets debuffed. Y'all are fighting all the enemies, and I'm just buying chests over here. This is my 4th one so far.
I call big chest.
Ooh,
I
wax
already called it. I already
quail.
called it.
He did call it.
Ooh, red.
Ah,
Headset.
I bet you regret picking it up now.
I do.
It's the head stomper, dog. What do you mean?
Is it on cooldown? Is there a
What?
cooldown for it?
Head stomper? Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna activate the teleport.
No, 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 no. Don't. I cannot
Why?
get there currently. Let me get to you first. Mark it quick.
Not here if you cannot get here.
And I'm also grabbing out, what is it, an item quick. So let me grab it. I'm grabbing a item to replace my radar.
Well, hold up. Let me get there first.
So instead of radar, I get missiles.
Oh, that's actually good.
Especially with the multiple moves gesture at the ground.
Ooh,
Because then
yeah,
every
okay.
15 seconds, I launch a butt ton of missiles.
What?
No more radar, though.
No, not infinite radar.
No infinite radar. You could just pick up the radar and then go put it in the equipment
Alright,
drone.
you guys ready now?
Yeah, do it. I'll be on my way in a second. I'm a little behind, but I'll get there.
I was finding a beetle guard.
Remind me about the equipment drone. I'll put the radar in the equipment drone later.
It's like over there.
I know where it is. I just passed it.
There's 2 clay dude striders.
Coming.
Just fine.
I kind of got cringed on.
No, I know.
Wait, I got you.
I
I have arrived.
No, so that it's barely on the edge of it, so it gets debuffed, but you can
you're
still.
actually humongous brained.
I am actually Mongai brain.
No, I am annihilating him with all of my guns and weaponry. He has been
Killed him.
destroyed.
All right, now wait for it to get into the Mongai. All right, there we go. It's in the Mongai.
It's in the Mungai. Get the Mungai. Get him. Get this feeble human being. Ow, 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 ow. Ooh, there's a
You're
lot
Rex, you don't need to worry about health.
of... No, it just surprised me. There's so many imps and stuff down below me. 1 second. I need to get all these guys.
You feebled brain.
No, it just did a lot of damage, like all at once, and it scared me.
Don't let it heal.
Oh, wow, it froze me.
I am stuck inside of it.
You are fine. Stop being
We're
cringe
doing
nanny,
more damage
baby.
than it can heal.
That's because it's in the debuff range. Effigy of Grief is lit. Ow, imp. Oh, leech seed! Give!
Lychee seed, epic.
This is very
Hold
epic.
up.
I now have 2 leeching seeds.
We're a
Head
little bit
stomper.
behind schedule.
I had stompered the wisp. Can I pick it up now?
Alright, let me go get the
Find a
equipment drone
red
quick.
Printer, just so you can get rid of head stompers.
Huh?
I hope you find a.
Red
There's
printer?
a big chest right here. The red printer, yeah.
Ooh, big chest. Another red.
No, I know.
Well,
Alright, I'm getting this shrine quick.
equipment.
Ooh, another backup mag. I'm going! I want to get this shrine though. Ooh, I got an orange again. Oh, it's
I got
eccentric
volcanic
vase.
egg.
I got eccentric vase. Best items. What if I gave eccentric vase to the equipment
what
drone?
What happened that made the foil sticker collection go up so much? What the fuck?
Oh, what collection?
The operation sticker collection. What the fuck?
Alright.
Activate it.
Alright.
Don't
Alright.
tell me before you activate it. Okay. Yeah, never mind. Fuck you. I was so close. I just had to go get the radar and put it in the equipment drone, but no.
Wait, did we do blue or teleporter?
Blue.
Good.
Because
then now you
Wait,
didn't.
no?
Cringe.
You are cringe.
Cringe.
Who hit the
Cringe.
teleporter?
You
Cringe.
did, Wyatt. You were the
I
only
did
one
not-
there.
I didn't. I hit the.
You were the only one there.
Okay, I owe you 1 out of your 9 million.
Topaz brooch.
No, it's more so you owe someone. What is it? Gesture of the Drowned. Bam. That still did a lot of damage, but not.
Let's
as
do
much
the
as
eggs
stuff.
first.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
there's a worm. A broken emergency
Let's see if
drone.
I get.
Is that another
Oh, man.
drone for me to pick up as the drone master?
So, do you guys want to do teleporter first or?
Teleporter first. Cause what is it? Robot boss is so much easier once the teleporter's done and enemies stop spawning.
How many topaz brooches do you stack?
I usually try to get at least 3, 4, 5, 7.
Alright.
7.
Ooh, what's
is,
in there? This
A
multi-station.
really good number. Past 7, you don't need too much, but it helps.
Alright, I got rid of my generator.
Ooh,
That's all
this
I
is mine. Harvest scythe
Oh,
mine.
where's the topaz printer at?
It's up there.
Harvester scythe is mine. This worm is chasing me and I
lots of
don't
lag.
appreciate it. This worm is chasing my foreskin and I do not appreciate.
No, my monster tooth.
Bye, monster tooth. Wait, what printer is it? What kind of printer?
Topaz.
Topaz.
Ooh.
There's so many elder. There's 4 elder Lemurians.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now it's just taking all my good grays.
1 second.
Can
Let
it-
me get all
can it
the
take,
elders.
Like, my tri-tip or like my stun grenade? Nope. Okay.
Wow,
I
we,
died to the elder Lemurian.
yeah, we need to get rid of these Elder Lemurians. There's 4 of them. See, this is why this is such a worse place than hell, because the Elder Lemurians seem to spawn so much more than they do in hell. Like,
I
is
like
that
how
just
it took
me?
all my good grays.
All my grays are
Yeah,
good. I don't have a
Topaz-
single bad gray.
That is true. I do.
Look
have
at all the
but-
boys just chilling over there.
They're chilling and it scares me.
Oh, J Station already did a 3 a.m. Kobe.
Oh. I just died.
Yeah,
well,
well,
where's the
Well, those
teleporter?
can be stacked.
Oh, hi there, bud. Bye, bud. Where's teleporter? Is it underground? I swear to
No, it's above ground. I saw it earlier.
Where
it's
did you
usually
see
in the
it?
middle.
Where did you see it, Wyatt? Were you lying to me or did you actually see it? Were you being cringe nene, baby? Come here, you. I want some monies. Thank you for money. Crunch. I want this harvester scythe. Give. Thank. Where?
I would go start teleporter now before it gets
I know.
super hard.
I'm trying to find where the teleporter. Oh, there it is. It's right here. Womp. Okay, what is
Whoa,
it?
you got
Oh,
two
hi.
big chests and a multi-shot?
Oh my god! It's more
But you
magma
don't know
worm.
which one's which though.
No, I don't. I just have to kill them all.
The,
This is
the Donner
cringe.
Drone.
This is cringe.
Too angry to die.
There you go, Elven. Get the fuck off.
The
See-
whirring glows loud.
Ooh!
I'm
What
gonna
just
go
hit
eat
me?
I'm gonna go eat dinner.
What is hitting me? What is hitting me? What is hitting me? What is hitting me? This is cringe. This is cringe. Yep. Okay.
Cringe.
There was an Elder Lemurian. What the fuck? I killed all the Elder. Wow, this is cringe. Well, into the video. If you liked it, subscribe. I guess. Fuck.